Hello my lovely students, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to learn about an angles, chapter 2, lines and angles. What is an angle? An angle is formed when two rays start from the same point. Think of a ray as a line that has one starting point but goes on forever in one direction. Here in the figure we have two rays, that BD and BE. Both of these rays starts from the same point B. This point B is called the vertex of the angle. The two rays BD and BE are called the arms of an angle. So remember, vertex equals to starting point. Arms equals to the rays forming an angle. How to name an angle? If there is only one angle at the vertex, we can just call it an angle B. But if there are many angles at the same vertex, we have to be more specific. To be clear, we use three letters. One point on the first arm, the vertex in the middle, one point on the second arm. For example, here one point on the first arm is D, vertex is B, and a point on the second arm is E. So we can name this angle as angle DBE or angle EBD. The word angle can also be replaced by the symbol like this, that is angle DBE or angle EBD. The vertex is always written as the middle letter. To indicate an angle, we use a small curve at the vertex. Refer figure 2.9. Vidya is opening her book in different ways. First case is the book is almost closed. The arms are close together, so the angle is very small. Next, the book is open little more. The angle becomes bigger. Case 3, the book is fully open in a straight line. Here, the arms make a straight line of an angle is 180 degrees. The book is opened wider than before, so the angle is more than 180 degrees. This is called a reflex angle. Case 5, the book is almost closed backward. Again, a small angle but an opposite side. Case 6, the book is completely closed, so the angle is 0 degrees. By just opening and closing a book, we can see how size of an angle changes. This is why the book example is perfect to understand arms, vertex and the angle between them. The size of an angle is the amount of rotation or turn that is needed about the vertex to move the first ray to the second ray. Here in the diagram figure 2.9, we have an initial position of a ray and we rotate it around the vertex until it reaches the end of the position. The amount of turning we do is called the size of an angle. Angles are not just in math books, we see them everywhere in real life. First one is compass. When you open and close the arms of a compass, the point where the two arms join is the vertex of the angle. The more you open it, the bigger angle. The pair of scissors, the screw where the blades join is the vertex. The blades are the arms. When you open the scissors, the size of the angle increases. Next, spectacles. The screw on the frame where the side of the handles are attached is the vertex. Folding and unfolding changes the angle. Book. Opening, it changes the angle. Stapler, the hinge acts as a vertex. Wallet, ice cream, cone and pizza slice also from an angles. So the size of an angle is all about rotation or turn. The more you open something, the bigger the angle, and the more you close it, the smaller the angle. So this is all about an angles with examples and explanation. I hope you understand what is an angle, vertex and arms. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts regarding this an angle, please ask me in the comment section. If you like this video, please do subscribe.